C8051F226 serial communication. Baud rate setting. Assuming that a baud rate of 9600 bit per second is required for both transmit and receive. The transmit and receive clocks need to be 9600 cycle per second. Assume that S mode is clear to 0. T clock is clear to 0. R clock is also clear to 0. S mode 0 and S mode 1 are set to 0 and 1. This would be the clock path. The clock rate at this point would be 9600 times 16. This is because of the divide by 16 block, which will cause the clock rate at this point to become 9600. The clock rate at this point would be 2 times more. This is because of the divide by 2 block. Therefore, timer 1 overflow rate needs to be 307,200. If S mode is set to 1, this would be the clock path. The clock rate needed here would be just 9600 times 16. And the timer overflow rate would become 153,600.